What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs, and I did get a little bit of work done on the golf this weekend, and so I'm going to jump right into it and let you all see what I got done. Okay, so on these clutch bolts, they are supposed to be torqued, but I'll just give them a couple of ooga doogas and call it good. It should be fine. But if you're that worried about it, check your torque specs and use your torque specs. But I don't have a small torque wrench anyway, so I just do the best I can. I decided to go ahead and put a new clutch on here. Now, I didn't get a new flywheel. The flywheel looks so-so. Anyways, it should be fine. But I decided to go ahead and get a new clutch, being as I had it apart. So, anyways, I am going to attempt to remarry the engine and transmission, and then see if I can't get this thing in here sometime this evening or tonight. Okay, so I did get the engine and transmission back together. I got 3 bolts in it to hold it. Everything should be good. Should be. I always say should be because I don't really know for a fact. Anyways. Okay, so now we've got the engine back in here. I still have to mount up the dampener. I actually still need to put the belt on, the alternator on, all that stuff, and then I'll get to working on those hoses, see what I can come up with. Oh, I also gotta hook up the transmission cables, and I gotta do the exhaust, you know. Anyways. So, as you can see, I did get quite a bit done. I still have the cowl to take care of. I'm going to scrub it up real good and see if I can't get it real clean. I did clean it a little and it did help, but think I may end up having to paint it anyways, but also I got the wiper arms that I need to do. I'm going to do those in the purple, so I did get another can of purple because also I forgot to paint my other strut cap, so I'll need to do that anyways. And anyhow, I still need to do the cooling line routing. I'm trying to mix and match a couple of kits I got because they don't really make a kit for the Golf. I did get some vacuum hoses, so I will be doing that as well this week. A little bit each day. I'll do some work this week and I'll compile all that together and kind of show you guys and get you up to date on what's going on. I still got the battery tray to put back in. I still got the intake and the air filter and stuff to put back on. I did get the overflow in, and I got the washer fluid reservoir back in, but I still need to get some hosing for that, and I need to figure out how exactly that's routed because I'm not really sure. It may just need one on each because there's like two lines. I think one actually goes to the back, so I'll figure that all out anyways because they was never there when I got it, so I don't know how that works. So anyways, I'll figure that out. But other than that, I'll keep you up to date. I'll do a little bit throughout the week. Like I say, kind of compile it together, you know, so it's not like strung out. Just kind of compile it together what I do this week. As far as the, you know, the hosing and stuff goes. So anyways, that's my little update for this week, episode 13 I think this is. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.